beginning with my favorite tip about Canvas. It's the way that Canvas's tools are integrated, the way that they work together. If you do something in Canvas in one part with one of the major tools, Canvas is often doing something simultaneously for you in another part of Canvas. If you understand that this is happening, then this is power. You can leverage this and use this to make your experiences with Canvas easier. If you don't know that this is happening, then you might think there are gremlins in the machine because things happen and you're not exactly sure how they happened. So let me explain to you that the assignments, which includes discussions and quizzes, are integrally connected to the course calendar and vice versa. So if you add an assignment in your course calendar, Canvas will create that assignment shell for you in the assignments area of Canvas. At the same time that you're adding an assignment, whether it be in the course calendar or in assignments, which we'll do a little bit of today, same time that you're doing that, Canvas is adding due dates. You have to put due dates in, but once you put due dates in, Canvas is adding those due dates and the assignment and a link to the assignment in the syllabus. Canvas does that for you automatically. So if you know about that, then you know that the syllabus tool is something that you would want to include in your course. And then what we're going to be discussing today is, again, an integral connection between assignments and the gradebook. At the base of everything, if you want to build your gradebook, you do it by building your assignments. You can't have a gradebook column unless you have an assignment. This is an extremely important tip for being able to use the gradebook.